Hi, this is Ms. Hess, and I just wanted to give you a quick overview of the Algebra 1 course. You'll notice that I have the browser Firefox open. This is the recommended one that you use when you're using Blackboard. I'm on the Blackboard website. Notice it's the bb.ccpsnet.net. You want to make sure you have this particular address in, because if you Google Blackboard, it could come up with any school system's Blackboard website, and your login's not going to work on those. It has to be the CCPSnet one. And I'm going to go ahead and log in here as a student. And as we get in there, you probably don't have this many classes under my classes, but I'll go into Algebra 1. And this is what you typically see when you log into your Algebra 1 course. You'll notice that there's an orientation link, and there's also my video to introduce myself. On the left-hand side, you'll notice that there's the announcements. The announcements are the first thing that you see. And then there's class information. And if we click on that, it will pull up our pacing guide and our Algebra 1 course syllabus. Now, the pacing guide is important. It's a checkoff list. It lists all the assignments that are due in this first term and have the due date. So I suggest that you go ahead and pull this up and print it. There's also the counselor information, and you'll see here that there's me and my information, and Ms. Bates. She's the school counselor through CCPS online, and you can contact her if you have any questions. You'll notice that there's the orientation button. Hopefully you've taken the orientation. Once you've completed that, it'll open up the class to you. There's semester 1, which is where we're going to go into, and my grades. So we'll go ahead and click into semester 1. And you'll notice that there's an introduction. There's the Algebra 1 pretest. That's your first assignment to complete. And there's two folders that are open here, Unit 1 and Unit 2. In the first term, if you look at your pacing guide, you'll notice that there are 2 more units that are going to appear. We're currently working on some updates on this course, so material will keep appearing as you go through the 9 weeks. After you take this pretest, you can go into Unit 1, and you'll notice that there's a folder with the lessons in it. There's a unit quiz and a glossary. This glossary you can open up to find definitions of any words that you need. You'll want to complete the lessons before you go forward onto the quiz. So we're just going to open up this lesson. You'll see that it's divided up by topics. You have Topic 1 and a topic check, Topic 2 and Topic 3 with a topic check. Most of your topics are going to be followed by a topic check, which is a 5-question quiz, which is going to be very similar to the review that you have inside these topics. And we'll go ahead and look at a topic really quick. Sometimes it's very slow to pull up, so have patience. And you'll notice that there is a number of things that all of the topics look like this, but there's a number of things that you should see at the top. There's a topic home. Usually there's a warm-up. For the first one, there isn't a warm-up. There's a presentation where somebody's going to talk to you and talk to you about the lesson. There's going to be some worked examples, some practice, and some review. There's also this button up here on the corner, and if we click that, you will see everything that's going to be taught within this particular topic. So these are kind of like your notes. You'll also notice that what's available to you are topic terms. These are the 2 vocabulary words, and the glossary is also available through this section. And I'm just going to back out of this, back into Blackboard, and we'll go ahead and back out of this topic, and I just want to show you a topic check really quick. After you're done with that particular topic, you're going to click here, press begin, and what will pull up is your quiz, and in this case it's a matching quiz. See, a very short quiz just to make sure that you're getting all the topics in place. You'll always want to go in and check my grades. All of your grades will be listed underneath here. You'll see that there's a number of topic checks and quizzes. More will be added to this as we open up the additional assignments, but this way you can tell whether your assignments have been graded, whether they're pending. As you notice, this one I opened up that topic check, and I have this like little written box, which means that it's an incomplete assignment, that I need to go back and do it. If it's pending grading, you get a explanation point, a green one, and if it's graded, then you have a grade in there. And you can check your grades here, and again, more assignments will be added as we go through. Let me know if you have any questions.